traders, welcome to West to Trade. In this video I am going to explain you the simple strategy with its backtest and its results. This strategy is for the beginner traders who don't know how to draw trend lines. So the indicator I am using is MACD, and this strategy can be used in any time frame which is more than 5 minutes. Let me show you the basic MACD strategy. So go to indicators and type MACD here, and this is MACD. Blue line, here you can see blue line and orange line. Blue line is MACD line and orange line is, see, blue line is MACD line and the orange line is signal line. Okay, this is very simple, like simple setup. Okay, if the MACD line, that is blue line, okay, if the blue line crosses above signal line, that is orange line, okay, at this point, it is a buy signal. Okay, and if the blue line crosses orange line, if the MACD line crosses below signal line, then it is a sell signal. Okay, this one. Okay, okay, oh, okay, then okay, let me take SBIN and 5-minute time frame. Okay, and I will show you exactly the where we get buy signals and where we get sell signals using this MACD strategy. Just type here MACD strategy. Okay, and yeah, here this is what the buy and sell signals given by basic MACD strategy. MACD LE is buy signal and MACD SE is sell signal. Okay, and okay, here there is a strategy tester. Okay, the result is 38% win rate with 91.3 profit. Okay, it is good. Okay, but the problem here is the total number of trades. We are getting 374 trades. Okay, number of trades is directly proportional to the brokerage given to the brokers, like Zerodha, Fires, whatever. Okay, let me deduct it for you. See, go to properties and here commission. Normally I use Zerodha, so they are taking 0.03% per trade. So let me type 0.03%, and I am not including the other taxes. Okay, let me add it. Okay, approximate, like I will just add the minimum, like 0.02%. Okay, I'm sure it will be more. Okay, I will take 0.05%. Okay, and see the net profit how it decreased. Okay, so to overcome this problem, that is to decrease the number of trades, we are going to buy only when the MACD signal line. Okay, let me show you. We are going to buy only when the MACD line and the signal line are below zero. Okay, now what is zero line? Here, this line. Okay, horizontal line here. Okay, this is zero line. Okay, exactly it will be here. Okay, we are going to buy only uh, when both lines are below the zero line. Okay, see here we got a buy signal. Okay, we will not enter here. Okay, that's what the meaning is. And we are going to short only when both MACD and signal line are above zero line. Okay, let me see a sell signal. Yeah, here we got a sell signal here. Okay, then we will enter, and even here we got the sell signal. We will not enter here. That's what the meaning is. Okay, to make this, okay, even here we have some problems, like what is the trend. If it is an uptrend, then we should look only for buying, and if it is a downtrend, then we should only sell. Okay, to get more profits. Okay, now we will get a question like how we find the trend. Okay, the basic thing, we can just apply 200 EMA. Let me add that for you. I am removing this. Okay, uh, moving average, just type moving average here. Yeah, here moving average or exponential moving average, both are fine for this strategy. And go to settings and change it to 200. Okay, see the price is above. See here, the price is above 200 EMA. This is the 200 EMA. Okay, 200 EMA line. The price is above 200 EMA, and so we should see only for buying opportunities. So here we got a buying opportunity. See, this one. Okay, so I will enter around here, and my profit is, okay, my risk to reward is 1:1.5. So I'll take a long position around this point, and my stop loss will be below the swing pullback. That is swing low. Okay, uh, and my target is 1:1.5, right? 1:1.5. That is here, and it touched my target also. Okay, and this one I actually took this trade. Okay, and okay, now we got the knowledge on how to implement this strategy. Let's do backtest in the next video.